Let's get straight to it, guys. How to elevate and evolve your brand as quickly as possible in 2026, the no BS way. Now, the reason why let me just make sure that everything is correct here. Okay, so I reached out to a couple of mentors and I found a mentor that says, listen, you can spend a bunch of money with these guys, but these guys, it's very technical. It's a lot of stuff that is designed for them to keep you there longer so that they could bill you for more time. And his pitch to me was basically like, listen, like I want to be way ahead tomorrow. Next week, I want to be even further ahead. So that was an instant sell. And my plan is essentially I take in information like a sponge and I'm just going to dump all the information that I'm learning. And I want to see you guys win because I'm winning at a very, very, very fast rate. I started with my mentor about 4 months ago. I've completely changed my business model. I'm making way more money. My stress is essentially down to zero. And it's kind of crazy because I'm like, holy shit, I now have the mindset that's absolutely needed to power through this. And it's so structured. It's like, dude, just like do this, like just do it. How come you're not seeing results? Are you doing all the things I told you to? No, it's tough and I'm busy and it's just overwhelming. Well, I mean, that's your mindset, right? So if you're desperate and you have the desire for crazy, crazy change, you guys will figure it out, right? And it seems to be that the most desperate people do the best. And guess what? They tend to be the busiest people. How do they do it? They figure it out, right? So that is that in a nutshell. I'm going to start making videos. We're going to start with mindset, a couple mindset videos that are absolutely needed. And it's not like, oh, just get yourself in the right mindset. It's like, do these 5 things every freaking day. Don't stop doing them. You're doing them for life, okay? You will dramatically change as a person. Your character will be completely different. You will not recognize yourself if you can do these. Even fast forward one day, your next day of doing these 5 things, your mental state will be completely different. You'll feel way better. You'll start crushing it and accomplishing things, and it just will start compounding. So that's the plan. Let's get to it.